Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Jalal Ahmad, and in this tutorial today we are going to learn about the JSlider. So for that purpose, let's get started. First of all, I will take a JSlider from here. Now it will have some properties. You can see it in here. It will have values from 0 to 100. Let's leave it like that. I will have the minimum as 0, the maximum as 100. It is also by default the same I would like to have. Now let's have some text in here. So for that I will click it and it will have some text in there. But I will have the major text at 20. You can see the text in here. And the minor text spacing I would like to have as 5. You can see the minor text spacing in here. Now I would also have some numbers at the bottom of it, that is, click on it and you can see some numbers there. Now let's run the file. Press Shift F6. I would like to show it to you. How does it look? You can see it. You can change it. You can leave it at any point. You can leave it in here. You can leave it on 80. You can leave it between these 2 points. Now by clicking this option, I will show you that what does it change. If you leave it in the middle of 2 points, you can see it sticks towards a point. You can leave it in here and you can see it sticks to a point. So that is the difference when I click this option and when I uncheck this option. So I would like to uncheck it. Now I would like to add some values to it. For that purpose I will take a text field and also I will take a button. I will edit the text of text field. I will have nothing in here. I will also change the font for it. I will bold it and I will make it as 14, the size. Now I will change the text of this button. Let's say enter. I will also copy the variable name and let's move towards the action performed method of this button. Right here int value is equal to integer dot parse int, and in here I will paste the name of the text field, that is the variable name of the text field, and I will get text from it. So what I did in this line of code, I took the value, that is the string, from this text field and convert into integer and stored in this variable, which is also an integer. Now I will assign this value to the JSlider. For that purpose I will take the name of the JSlider, copy this name and paste it in here. Select set value and you can see this variable is assigned to the JSlider. Now let's run the file. Press Shift F6. Now when I write some value in here, let's write 10 and press enter. You can see the JSlider value is changed. Now I will write 90, press enter and you can see. I will write 55, press enter and you can see. I will write 57 and you can see. So that was about the JSlider tutorial. So if you have any question, please leave your question in comments and also leave your comments about the way I teach you. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for now.